Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly withdraw your money from Hamster Kombat. So first thing you want to do is of course log in into your account. So this is the website. I have a small tutorial for you on how to do this process in this small tutorial on BitGet. As we see, there are steps to do that. First of all, you want to log in into your Hamster Kombat account. After that, select the withdrawal method. Just like on, say, a banking application like PayPal, you just select your card to which you want to withdraw your balance, your money. After selecting it, enter the withdrawal amount, then you confirm withdrawal, and then just like everywhere in any banking app, any internet application where you can withdraw money to your actual bank card, you need to wait for some time until your withdrawal is approved, and after that you will get your money into your bank card. Thank you guys for watching this basic tutorial. If this helped, press the like button and I'll see you in the next one.